you've got to be careful on the launch site. There's always going to be pilots that are a bit nervous. Some people fall into the nervous category, and some people fall into the, hey man, no problem, no worries kind of guys. The no worries kind of guys are out flying. They get there, they pull the glider up, and off they go. And hey, yeah, it was a bit bumpy, you know. The other guys are needing to find a lot of reasons to help them get into the air. So they want everything to be perfect. Never is. Or there's some guys that might have had a scary experience, or they saw a friend have a scary experience, and they are nervous, and they end up being the ground suck crew. So it might just be a phase. It might just be a phase in the pilot's progression that they are now very nervous and they're looking for reasons to not fly. So you've got to be careful. They will spread those reasons to not fly that they're internalizing with everybody else to try and get some sort of agreement that it is dangerous. So they're right. They shouldn't be flying. But actually it's just fear. It's difficult when you start off to analyze, is this guy scared or is he an expert that's actually giving me useful information? So you're going to have to judge characters a little bit. If in doubt, be cautious. You can fly next time and you've got a long flying career ahead of you. So if in doubt, if you're not sure, sit it out, let some other pilots fly. When you see them fly and you can see they demonstrate, that's an absolute winner. When there's somebody flying and you can watch them and you can see that they fly from the top to the bottom and it's smooth, they've shown you what the air's like. Then you can ignore the comments that came before because it's been demonstrated that it's safe. You can be a little bit brave. There are going to be guys that are not up to it on the day, and I wouldn't listen too much to them. Try and seek out somebody else experienced and ask them for a second opinion, and that can maybe help guard against the ground suck crew.